Hello everyone, myself Farheen Fatima, student of BSc 5th semester from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University. The topic of my assignment is innate immunity. So, starting from what is immunity? Immunity refers to body's ability to prevent the invasion of pathogens. Humans have three types of immunity: innate immunity, adaptive immunity, and passive. The topic of my presentation is innate immunity, so I am going to discuss about innate immunity. The immunity which is present in an organism by birth is called innate immunity. It refers to the body's defense system. Innate immunity is responsible for providing the first line defense to the body. It is non-specific, it acts the same for all intruders entering the body. Protection is provided in the form of barriers. For example, the skin, the barrier of human body, functions by protecting the entry of germs and the other disease causing pathogens. The barriers that constitute innate immunity are: first, physical barrier. Skin is the main physical barrier. Mucous coating of epithelial lining of respiratory, gastrointestinal, and urogenital tracts also act as physical barrier. Second, physiological barriers. Physiological barriers prevent microbial growth. For example, acid in our stomach kill all the microorganisms which we accidentally digest. And other examples are saliva and tears. Third, cellular barriers. Cellular barriers phagocytose and destroy microbes. Examples: certain types of leukocytes, monocytes, and lymphocytes in blood, and macrophages in tissues. Fourth, cytokine barriers. Virus infected cells secrete proteins called interferons which protect non infected cells from further viral infection. Cellular barriers include eosinophil, neutrophil, natural killer cells, dendritic cell, macrophage, and mast cell. All these cells are types of white blood cells or leukocytes. First, neutrophils. Neutrophils are most abundant cells, making 60 to 70% of total immune cells. They are type of phagocytes that kill and eat the pathogens. Within cell, they release enzymes that kill and digest it. They are found in blood and highly mobile. These are first cells to respond to. Second, eosinophils. They make up about 1 to 3% of white blood cells. They fight multicellular parasites and some bacteria. Third, basophils, least common of WBCs. They are about 0.5 to 1%. Their important role is in fighting parasite infections. They also have role in blood clotting. Third, mast cells. They reside in connective tissue and mucous membranes. Their role is in wound healing and microbial defense, and also involved in serious allergic reaction. They help to link innate and adaptive immunity to fight against pathogens. Fifth, macrophages. Meaning of macrophage is large eaters. They are large phagocytic cells. They migrate from blood to tissue spaces from invading pathogens. Sixth, dendrite cells. Dendrite means branch. They are located in tissues in contact with external environment. They are present in skin, inner lining of nose, lungs, etc. They are type of antigen presenting. Seventh, NK cells or natural killer cells. They do not attack microbes directly. Rather, they destroy own cells that have infected, such as tumor cells and viral cells. So, here is the end of my presentation. Thank you, ma'am. Hope you liked it.